Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about one growth stock which I'm going to buy on Monday. Yes, this is the stock which has already given 400% return in a year, and I believe that this particular company can grow further up from the current levels. So the stock which I'm going to talk in this video is Jyoti Resins. Yes, you will see that on a 1 year basis, the stock has given roughly return of 402%. The current market price for the stock is 1350, whereas the stock has been correcting recently from its top level of 1800. You will see that in last 1 month, the stock has roughly given return of negative 3.56%, and in last 5 days it has corrected roughly around 20%. Now, why I'm bullish on this particular stock? Because this particular stock is a very small cap company, and I see very high growth in stock in this particular stock and the area they play into. Disclaimer that I'm going to put a very small amount of money in this particular stock, which I have kept for the small and micro cap companies. Looking at the company website, you will realize that the company plays into the space of adhesives. They make adhesives related to the synthetic wood. They make adhesives related to the PVCs, and you will realize that the company has already established their business into 12 states with 20 branches, and they have 50 distributors across the India. Looking at their products basically, I have discussed this also. They have synthetic wood adhesives, waterproof adhesives, high strong adhesives, PVC to wood adhesives, which are eventually going to use in building infrastructures, going to build in used in housing materials, etc. Looking at the fundamentals of Jyoti Resins, you will realize that the market cap of Jyoti Resins is 1620 crore only, which is a very small cap company. And I believe that this company can go to become further mid cap to large cap in coming years, where you can see the stock price going up to the level of 3000 rupees in coming years. The return on capital employed for this particular company is 46.2%, which is again one of the best in the industry. The stock PE is 64.2%, which is on higher side. But I believe, looking at the growth prospect of this particular company, this company can give you eventually better returns with a good PE as well. So this is the chart of the Jyoti Resins, which we have discussed, like how it has corrected from the top levels of 1800 and currently trading at 1350, where it is giving us opportunity to enter in the stock. Looking at the pros and cons, you will realize that the company has reduced their debt. It is also debt free, and with the rising interest rate hikes by central banks, the company is going to get least affected. Looking at their peers, there has been stocks like Pidilite Industries, SRF, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, but definitely Pidilite is one particular company which plays in the adhesive space with Fevicol. But you will see that the Jyoti Resins, in comparison to Pidilite, is currently trading at a very low PE. Looking at the financials or the quarterly result of the Jyoti Resins, you will realize that the sales has been continuously growing up since June 2019, where they were doing the sales of 18.35 and they're doing sales of 63.91 today. Looking at the operating profit, they have been able to increase their operating profit despite all the recession fears, despite all the inflation fears as well. And the net profit has been continuously growing from the level of 2.67 to currently making a profit of 9.07 crore rupees in June 2022 quarter. I believe that the company can further make good profits in coming quarters as well, and can definitely go up from the current level of 1350. Looking at the share pattern of the stock, you will realize that the promoters of the company are investing more and more and acquiring more stake in this particular company. This only means that, or like you can make the inferences that even the promoters of the company are believing in this particular company, then why you should not? Looking at the financial growth of this particular company from last couple of years, you will realize that the company has given 93.87% return on capital employed, second largest selling wood adhesive brand in India retail segment. It's a debt-free company, and the company has declared 25% dividend as well. So these are some of the positive sides. You are seeing that this is a growth company despite that they are able to give dividends to their investors is massive thing. Looking at the revenue perspective, you will see that they have been in up move, and I believe that this is ready to sustain, and this is going to sustain in coming years as well, with their EBITDA margins also increasing by 1187%, which is huge. That's why I like to go for these small cap or micro cap companies where you see a strong fundamentals and sound balance sheets with negligible debt, which can eventually give you good returns in coming years. Now, looking at the chart analysis of this particular stock, I have already drawn some support level and buying zone for this particular stock, where you will see that the company can take a good support at a level of 1200 to 1250, which can come eventually on Monday, and that's why I'm planning to buy this particular stock on Monday. I won't be putting my whole investment in this particular stock. Again, I will be buying this particular stock in chunks. If the stock falls below the level of 1200, there are chances that the stock might go to the level of 1000 to 1050, which I don't see happening right now. But if it happens, then definitely you should have cash in hand to average this particular stock. I have already written the support levels of 1200 and 1000. The buying zone is between 1200 to 1300, which I see coming on Monday. And the target for 1 year, you can take it as 2000 rupees for the particular stock. So this is what I believe and can happen in this particular stock, and I am very bullish on Jyoti Resins and this industry they play into. If you like my analysis, if you like my stock analysis or this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button on this video. I regularly take out videos on the stocks where I am making positions, even if I'm doing a swing trading or anything, I will definitely let you know. This kind of analysis require a lot of in-depth knowledge, and I believe that your like and subscribe definitely gives me boost and help me to make new content for you. I hope you like the video. Thank you.